TBK 958 FMNA automatic laser marking and a screen removal machine. Go straight to the test and find a functioning phone. Through automatic centering jig, one key positioning, click on autofocus. After autofocus, close the lens protection cap. To switch on the built-in activated carbon smoking instrument, select the corresponding model drawing and start work. It's very efficient and the results are obvious. Next, we move on to the glass cleaning. After using the tool to remove the debris, you can see that the effect is perfect. Then the glue remover operation is similar to the previous step. Clean up quickly. But just use tweezers and a brush to clean properly. Reapply glue and cover the new back glass. TBK 201 pressure retaining die was used for fitting. Half an hour later, we took out the phone after testing. And the wireless charging function was intact. For ceramic, metal, stone, alloy surface, and wood product can be extended application. Thanks for the strong activated carbon smoking instrument and the spouting visual isolation box. Effectively avoid smoke pollution, create environmental protection and healthy working environment.